Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Prometheus to export metrics before shutdown step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have access to the Prometheus server. Open your terminal or command line interface. Connect to your Prometheus instance using SSH if necessary. Once connected, check the status of your Prometheus server to ensure it is running. Locate the directory where your Prometheus configuration files are stored. Access the Prometheus configuration file, typically named prometheus.yml. Identify the scrape configurations to determine which metrics are being collected. Before shutting down Prometheus, it is essential to cancel any ongoing scrapes. Use the command to stop the Prometheus process gracefully. Open another terminal window to handle the extraction of metrics. Use the HTTP API provided by Prometheus to export metrics. The endpoint you will want to use is typically http:// Prometheus server IP 9090/API/v1/export. Replace Prometheus server IP with the actual IP address of your Prometheus server. Send a GET request to this endpoint to retrieve the current metrics. Save the output to a file using redirection in your command line interface. For example, use the command curl http:// Prometheus server IP 9090/API/v1/export metrics_export.txt. Confirm that the file has been created by listing the directory contents. Once you have successfully exported the metrics, proceed to shut down the Prometheus server completely. Ensure all data is saved and backed up as necessary before final shutdown. After shutdown, verify that the metrics file contains the data you need for future analysis. You are now ready to use the exported metrics as required. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.